Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Amy Darley. I'm a stay-at-home mom of two, and today's video is going to be a clean and restock with me. And I want to say a huge thank you to HSN for partnering with me on today's video. All right, so if you're in need of some cleaning motivation or some organization ideas, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, it is a beautiful summer day, and we've got a lot to get done today. So first things first, we're going to open up the blinds and let all the sunshine in, because nothing motivates me more than a bright sunny morning. And of course, y'all know I'm going to make the bed before I can do anything else. This just motivates me to get going and get all the things checked off of my to-do list for the day. And I'm curious, what's on your to-do list today? Are you getting things done while you watch, or are you using this video for some motivation? Y'all let me know what you have going on. I always love hearing what's on your list. Now let's roll some laundry to the laundry room. I need to get a load going first thing in the morning, and I'm still obsessed with this rolling laundry hamper. It can fit like 2 to 3 loads of laundry in here. That could be a good thing or a bad thing. I mean, if it's a lot, but sometimes that means that we wait too long to wash our laundry. But I'm gonna go ahead and get a load going. And once I've got this going, we're going to head to Sam's Club. We need to go do some shopping today, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. Before we head out to Sam's Club, I wanted to share a couple of products that I got from HSN. I'm actually partnering with them for today's video, and I'm so excited about these. So first are these leak-proof super shoppers, and these are awesome because you pick whatever color option you want, and then it comes with 4 different designs, and they're all so cute. But the best part is that they're actually insulated and leak-proof, which is perfect for grocery shopping or taking your cold items to the pool or beach this summer. Honestly, these are just so good. And then I also got this Tupperware 6-piece chip and dip set. It is so cool because the top actually comes off and works as its own serving tray, which is genius. And then you get 2 smaller containers with lids that clip right onto the inside of the big bowl, so everything stays together. Once we get back from grocery shopping, I'm gonna actually make the kids a snack lunch with this Tupperware set, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so I've got our West Loop Super Shoppers loaded up in the back, and we are headed to Sam's Club. I'm actually super excited to use these today because we live about 30 minutes from Sam's Club, and it's summer, so my car gets so hot. Having these insulated bags means I don't have to stress about my cold items sitting in the hot car on the way home, and that alone is worth it for me. Now, if you want to check out the West Loop Super Shoppers and the Tupperware set, they're both available on hsn.com. I'll be sure to leave the shopping link down in the description box and in the comments so you can check them out. So we are grocery shopping now. Actually, the whole family went this day, which was a lot of fun, but also meant that we stocked up on a lot of food. Of course, we got some of the essentials. We definitely needed to stock up on some good snacks for the summer. It was actually nice having everybody there with me because they were able to pick out the snacks that they want and make sure that, you know, we fill up the pantry with things that they're going to eat. Now, later in the video, I am going to be doing a pantry restock. So I'll be showing you all of this. I'll give you a whole haul of everything that I got from Sam's Club, and then we'll restock together too. All right, we have everything we need, and we're going to load up the car and head back home. But I'm using my West Loop insulated bags right here. You can see they fit a ton of stuff. So I'm going to put all of my cold and frozen items in here so that way they will stay cold on our 30-minute drive back home. I'm telling you, these are so great, and honestly, you could even take these in store with you and use them as your shopping bags. Okay, so we've got all the groceries unloaded. I'll give you a haul in just a second, but really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and make the kids a little snack lunch with our Tupperware chip and dip set. And I say this is for the kids, but honestly, I ate off of this tray too. It was nice. So first, I'm going to start with the bowl. I'm gonna put some Ruffles chips in the big bowl. And then I got some sour cream and onion dip that I'm going to use in one of the little containers. And like I said, these just clip right onto the inside of the big bowl and sit right there for easy access. It's so cool. Now for the top, I am going to use this as a little charcuterie tray. I'm adding some celery, cherry tomatoes, some fruit. We've got cubed cheese, pretzels, and even Uncrustables, some peanut butter and jelly ones. And then in our second little container, I'm going to put some sour cream and creamy ranch dip, which is so good with the veggies. This turned out so cute. The kids have a full snack lunch ready to go, and everything is right there in one set. They can snack on this while I go put the rest of the groceries away and tackle the pantry. And I'm telling y'all, these summer snack trays are something that I do all the time, especially when we have friends over. It just is easy. It uses a lot less dishes, and everybody can just kind of snack around and get whatever they want. Y'all let me know, what are some of your kids' favorite go-to summer snacks down in the comments. All right, we are back from Sam's Club, and I'm gonna do a really fast haul for you guys. Now, most of this stuff is gonna be snack items and then things that the kids can eat for lunch while they're home for the summer. Hopefully this stuff lasts us a while, but we'll start over here. So we had to pick up the red, white, and blue M&Ms. We got the Nello Super Calm, boiled peanuts for the beach. Chance loves these little fig bars for breakfast sometimes. We've got a huge thing of Pringles chips, macaroni and cheese, lots of popcorn. This is my kids' favorite afternoon snack. We've got some Celsius. These are actually for me. I've never tried these before, but they look really good. So, got those for me. I'm gonna try to hide these from the kids. We've got some brownie bites, some apple sauce pouches, Cheez-Its, another snack that my kids love a lot, Pop-Tarts, honey buns. We have not had honey buns in our house in a long time, but we got those. Protein pasta. This comes in a 4-pack. A lot of times I can't find these whenever I am shopping at Walmart, so I love getting these from Sam's just to make sure that I have these in stock. We love basically any kind of pasta dish, and those have extra protein in them, so they're perfect. My son is crazy about Raisin Bran, so we've been going through this like crazy. So got a couple boxes of those. Pizza Hot Pockets. I thought this would be a really quick and easy lunch. Chicken breast bites, another easy lunch. I am obsessed with the Just Bare chicken. I use this for, chicken minis, wraps, by themselves. Just a great lunch option. Pepperoni pizzas. If you've been around for a while, you know this is our favorite frozen pizza brand. Lots of bacon. These looked really good. We haven't tried these before, but these are the teriyaki Atlantic salmon chunks. I thought this would be really good in the air fryer over some rice. We've got these already seasoned and marinated little pouches of chicken fajitas. So this will be perfect. There's actually a 2-pack, so we can either eat these for lunch or I could do the whole thing for the family for dinner. Then we got some laundry and kitchen necessities, cleaning stuff. So basically we got some Cascade dishwashing detergent pods. We've got some scent beads and laundry pods. And then down here, the last thing I picked up were these little pillows. These are perfect for outdoors. These are just some outdoor throw pillows. And I thought it was super pretty for 4th of July, Memorial Day. This one's really cute. So it's double-sided. So you've got that on one side. And then this is the other, which I thought was so cute. All right, so that is everything from Sam's Club. I'm gonna go put all this stuff away and we'll get back into the video. Okay, now moving on to the pantry. It's a hot mess. We definitely need to go through here and clean it out and organize it. But I wanted to give you the real shot of what it looks like before we pull anything out. Now, I like to do this every couple of months because, as you can see, we just have this small pantry and things just get thrown in different places. It gets all unorganized and it just needs to be reset. So we're going to pull everything out of here. I know it looks chaotic, but this is the only way that I can really do it right. So we'll pull everything out so I can see exactly what I have, get rid of anything that's expired, and start completely fresh. I feel like I always find stuff that's been completely pushed to the back or fallen out of the containers or whatever. So this is just how I like to do it. If I clean it all out at once, it actually makes it even more satisfying too once it's all done. So we're gonna take a look through all of these containers and get them reorganized. Now, for the bins that I keep in the pantry, I love having these clear bins because, like I said, our pantry's not that big. And if we have clear bins, we can actually see what's inside of them a lot easier. Now, as long as they're organized, we know what's in them. But that's why I'm fixing it right now. So we have a couple of snacks containers, and these are just like our everyday snacks. We've got lots of Built Bars, Z-Bars, Chomps beef sticks, peanuts. We've got granola bars. I mean, literally tons of different snacks. And then we also have this clear breakfast bin, which this is where I'm going to put all of the Pop-Tarts and then some of Chance's like fig bars, the honey buns that we got, all of that. And then this last bin over here, this is for all of our sweets. So can you tell that my kids love cosmic brownies? If you've been around for a while, you probably already know that. But we also got some of those little brownie muffins or little brownie bites, whatever you call them. And we also have another big clear container over to the left. You can't really see it much right now, but it has extra condiments in there. So these are condiments that we use a pretty good bit. So I just have a couple extras in case we run out. But like I said, I love these clear bins just because it's so much easier for us to see everything and know exactly what's inside each bin. Okay, so now that we've got all of that organized, we're going to move on to our chips bins, which our chips bins, I actually have these big wicker baskets. These sit a little bit lower on the shelves, so even though they're not clear, you can't completely see all the way through them. They sit lower and they're also not as tall, so you can still see everything that's in them. So I'm going to reorganize this. We did have some chips that probably have been sitting in here a little too long, so I threw those away. And then we've got some pretzels, some crackers, those kind of things. And then in this other wicker bin, I'm putting all of the snack sized containers, so all of those Pringles chips that I got, and then the other variety pack of chips that we had left over in the pantry. Okay, I love these little plastic containers too. We use these for a lot of our snacks and cereal. So we keep our Cheez-Its in these. My son still loves goldfish, so that's still a staple in our house. And then also our cereal. So I'm restocking the Cheez-Its here, and then we just got that big, huge thing of Raisin Bran. So I'm going to restock some of that in one of these bins, and that'll be it. Now that we have all the bins organized, of course, we need to vacuum the floor really quick, and then I'm gonna start putting everything back in here. Now, we also keep our canned goods here in the pantry, but I just keep those on this little rolling cart because we don't really have a ton of canned goods, and that works perfectly on there. Like I said, all of the chips are low so that we can see them all, and then I start putting in all of our clear containers, one shelf at a time. Now I decided that for our Overstock items, I was going to use this metal bin and just put it at the bottom of our pantry. In the past, I've just done like the boxes that some of our stuff comes in, but obviously it's not too pretty to use boxes at the bottom, and I think that they can attract bugs. So we're going to use this clear bin, and I'm just putting all of our Overstock items so that way when our bins up top run low, I can reach down here and just restock them from this bin. And honestly, I think this looks so much better at the bottom of our pantry than a big cardboard box. Like I said earlier, our pantry is not that big, so we actually use these cabinets as part of our pantry as well. And my kids are obsessed with popcorn, so we're going to restock the popcorn bin, and then that's all the restocking that I'm going to do for today. While I'm doing this one, I did want to say, if you haven't seen my kitchen organization videos where I cleaned out all of the cabinets and everything and reorganized everything, definitely go check out those videos. There's actually 2 parts because there was so much organizing to do. But those are so good. I feel like everything that I did in those videos has worked so well. So if you need some organizing ideas, definitely go check out those videos. I'll leave them linked in the description box. All right, y'all, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some cleaning motivation, some organization ideas. It feels so good to have my pantry restocked for summer and all organized. Thank y'all so much for being here and hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And y'all be sure to subscribe if you're new. I hope y'all have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.